Hello and welcome. So Michael here, and in this video, let's do a tap on releasing pain from the lower back. Now, I've suffered from lower back pain for most of my life, and it was really in the last 5 years applying EFT and very sort of conscious Qigong yoga practice that I've managed to completely eliminate the back pain. And I'm actually going to be launching a program pretty soon, if not already by the time you watch this, which goes into treating or at least getting relief from pain, especially the pain which is not very well diagnosed or understood by Western medicine. So that's usually things like fibromyalgia, aches and pains, chronic pains, with no real obvious cause or no real obvious anatomical abnormality. So EFT is perfect for working with this type of pain. So let's do a tap together now and you'll get a bit of a taste of what I'm talking about. So the first thing is I want you just to spend a moment, just put your awareness into your lower back right now. The left side, the right side. And we're kind of looking at it like a scientist, okay? If there's no pain or it feels really numb right now, you can just even move a little bit to see if you can sort of aggravate it a little bit. All right? Don't do your back out. Just a little bit to get the awareness in the brain switched on. So feel it, left side, right side. Is it sharp? Is it dull? How far up the back is it? Good. And on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being maximum pain, debilitating, 0 is nothing, no pain. But give it a score right now. Good. And tap on the side of the hand. Now, this is not to replace advice from your medical doctor as well, just to make that clear. Okay, so as we tap, repeat these words if it feels okay for you. So all this pain in my lower back, I wish it would go away. I've tried to understand what it is. I've got all these theories about what it could be. And yet nothing seems to really help. And so every day I've got this pain in my back. This sharp pain or dull pain. On the left side of my back or the right side of my back. I really don't like this feeling. And that's okay. It's safe now to take a deep breath. Good. Inside the eye. So all this back pain, it's been with me for so long. On the side. I can't seem to get rid of it. No one seems to know what it is. Up under the eye. And so it's really frustrating. And it's really debilitating. Who knows? So all this frustration, the chin, all this anger towards my back. Tap on the chest. It's okay to feel this way. And it's safe now to let some of this anger go. Deep breath. Under the arm. Letting go of all this frustration, agitation, and sadness. Top of the head. So even though I've got this back pain, that's okay. It's okay to feel this way inside the eye. And it's also okay to let some of this tension go. Deep breath. Inside the eye. All this tension in my lower back. All this sharp pain in my lower back. Under the eye. All this dull, achy pain in my lower back. I really don't like how it feels. And so it's safe now to take another breath. Chest. So all this muscle tension in my body and all this tightness in my lower back. All this tightness in my lower back. Top of the head. It's okay to let some of this tightness go now. Inside the eye. I release and let it go. Inside. It's safe now to let this tension go. I allow my breath to move deeply into my lower back. Good, under the nose. I allow my body to heal itself. I allow my lower back to heal itself. The chest. And even if I don't understand it, that's okay. It's time now to let all this tension go. Deep breath. And I fully and deeply love and forgive myself. Good. Release the tap. Just take a little moment. Have a sip of water if you've got some nearby. And then when you're ready, just place your attention back into your lower back and just give it another little assessment. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 is maximum pain, 0 is no pain. Just give it a new number. Good. And if there's any sense of spaciousness or softness, or the feeling like the pain kind of diffuses, like more like a cloud as opposed to a sharp concentrated area, that's a really good sign. It's heading in the right direction. You can come back to this video anytime, keep tapping on it, keep working on it. And if you want to dive deeper into clearing these kind of things out of the body using EFT, be sure to visit my website where you can learn more. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.